1, 2, 1, 2. Hello again. This humorous old folk song, Waxies Dargle, dates from the 19th century. Now I'm playing the song using a regular tempo, but if you want a more manic version of it and the song lends itself to this, listen maybe to the Pogues or the Mary Wallopers. I'm playing the song in the key of D, and we just have three chords: D major, G major, which you can fret with the 4-fingered version or the 3-fingered version, and A major. Now just note here, I play A major with just 2 fingers. You might be confused and think I'm playing something else, but that I'm fretting 3 strings there. There's one other variation then on the A chord that I use just at one point in the song, and I add my 3rd finger here onto the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So this is A, and add that 2nd fret, that 2nd string, 3rd fret, it becomes A sus4. So maybe check out the audio section at the end where I have the chord prompts, and you'll see where that A sus4 comes in. A quick look at the strum pattern then. It's in 2/4 time, so our count is 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and with a slight emphasis on the 1. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now the song lends itself generally to a pick strum. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now if you're playing that though at a faster tempo, that becomes quite tricky. So this strum pattern I'm using here lends itself to playing the song at a faster tempo if you need, depending on who's singing it and who's playing with you. And it's very straightforward. It's just a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You can't get a simpler strum pattern. Be careful in this pattern, because when you're playing the D chord, you cannot hit the 6th string. That's not part of the chord. You can either deaden it with your thumb here, or just concentrate really on the maybe 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Again, the 1 beat gets a slight accent. 1 and 2 and 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 1. Again, for this kind of a song, I suggest using a softer pick than you would use for picking individual notes, and again that emphasis slightly on the 1st beat. So for D, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and G, A. So we'll have a quick check now on where that A sus4 comes in. So we have 3 regular D chords with that regular rhythm, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and then we go to G, 1 down strum, 1, 2. So that's a change from the pattern there, just briefly. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2, and I'll get back to the pattern then. 3 bars then for the D chord, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and G, A. That's 1, 2, and then the A sus4 comes on for 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. One more time for that. 2, 1, 2.